I cannot believe this is happening. Months ago, I was celebrating hitting $100,000 with my business, and today I'm celebrating hitting $100,000 with one of the products that I'm an affiliate for. And of course, there are skeptical people who are here. So here's your proof, and you can take a look right here. $100,000 in commission. Again, this is $100,000 for one product. A product that I did not own, I did not sell, I did not create, and without dealing with customers or shipping. Did I mention I started with zero experience, zero followers, and oh, I didn't show my face at the beginning. Not in a million years would I have thought this was possible for me, but it is. And it is possible for you too. Making $100,000 a year is not as hard as it used to be. You just need to learn from the right person. The reason why I'm celebrating, it's not really about the money. It's really about the freedom that this type of money can get for me. I used to work for somebody else my entire life, and I never thought it was possible for me to be able to quit my job ever. But guess what? I did it in just 8 months, and now I'm on a mission to show others how they can too. If you want to learn how you can make $100,000 a year from home and want to start from the exact same place that I did, comment me and I will reach out to you and help you get started.